Hi guys, welcome to my channel or welcome back. Just a few weeks ago, my kids' room was a complete disaster. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can transform your kids' bedroom into a beautiful space that they can be proud of, that you can be proud of. Let me show you how we go from this storm right here to a beautiful space that my kids, my 5-year-old and my 2-year-old now enjoy. First, let me start by saying how super thankful I am that I got this beautiful bunk bed from a friend of mine whose kids have outgrown it, and my son really wanted a bunk bed, so I got it for them, and I thought eventually my 2-year-old daughter could also share it with him. She could go on the lower bunk, and so this is what we now have in their room. I wanted to paint it though because I wanted a certain look for the room. I wanted it to be light, I wanted it to be airy. So the paint that I'm using here is just some leftover paint that I got from my mother-in-law, and I'm loving how it's looking on this bunk bed, and I'm just using a dollar store brush, and I love the imperfect look that it has going on. Now my whole idea was just to do the outside, but then my OCD kind of kicked in and I realized the inside was kind of throwing things off a little bit, so I decided to go in with the brush and brush the inside as well. It was a little bit cumbersome, but I got it done with just a lot of paint all over my body. But hey, I think it looks great, and this is what it looks like after 2 coats of paint, and it's the next day. Now that the paint has dried, I'm putting back the mattresses. I also have an extra twin mattress that I wanted to keep in case my kids ever, have a sleepover, or if somebody ever were to stay over, we would have this extra mattress. So I'm just putting it right under this bunk bed because it fits perfectly, and we are good to go. And then this organizer shelf that typically you buy brand new from IKEA for $80, I was able to buy from Facebook Marketplace for $40, and it's in really good condition, so I am good with it. And if you haven't seen my IKEA haul video, I'll link it right here. But these boxes I got from IKEA fit in here, and I love the way that it all looks, the black and white. And my kids' favorite part of the entire room is this tent right here, which I got for $18 from a kids' consignment store. Next, I am going to be hanging up some curtains, and I'm using my new drill for the first time, and I love it. And the funnest part of this whole project is getting to do this part right here with my son. He was super excited to be participating in decorating his room, so he helped me put up these black triangle stickers that I got from Amazon. And here I am just putting these beautiful prints, they're construction prints that I got from Amazon. I'm putting them in picture frames and I'm gonna put them up. I just love the words of encouragement that they have. For example, it says, be kind, be wise, be strong. There's 6 of them, so I love that. They're colorful. They add a pop of color, but they're also nice words to be a reminder. And next, I'm putting up this shelf that is supposed to be for pictures, but my plan is to use it for books. And I tell you, I have never been so nervous in my life about making sure that the shelf is straight, making sure that I get the holes in the right spots, making sure that I mark everything correctly, because I sometimes tend to not see things straight, and I'm not usually very patient about making sure that it all lines up and stuff like that. So you'll see me struggling a little bit about getting this straight. So I had to do a little dance, and you'll see it in a minute when I was able to figure it all out. And guys, I just want to say that the whole point of this video and the whole point of this channel is to encourage you and let you know that you don't have to be the most talented or the most experienced to do these types of things or to make changes in your life, because all you have to do is try. You might fail sometimes, but sometimes you succeed and it feels pretty darn good. So just try, make things happen, and you know what? You've got nothing to lose. You just get to learn and fix things if they don't work out. And as I'm making this bed right here, I'm thinking to myself, holy moly, making the top bunk is kind of not easy or straightforward. It's a little bit annoying, I must say, but I did it and I think it's fine. And I've been doing it since, and it's fine, you guys. I'm okay. I will survive. Next, I had to do some laundry. I folded some clothes and put them in their designated places. I hung up some clothes. Actually, this was kind of fun because it was like basically putting the final touches on this room, personalizing it for my kids. And then, of course, this little tent that my kids love so much. I had to give it a little zhuzh. So I took a little couch that my kids already had before. I covered it with some black throw blanket. There's also a white one for my daughter if she ever wants, or for my son, they can share. And then add a pillow. It looks pretty cute, and they like spending time in there. They can read in there, they can watch their tablet or whatever they feel like doing. And then I also had to clean up the toys, organize them, put them in the these red baskets that I had. I have 3 of them. They're huge red baskets that I got from IKEA maybe like 3 years ago, maybe 2 years ago, that I'm going to be using to separate the kids' toys and organize them and put them up in the closet. And when I tell you I have so much storage in this space that I don't even have enough stuff to store in them, I am not kidding. So this worked out pretty well for us. Now, there's a whole cleaning video on how I transformed this room from what it was before to what you see here. But I still needed to do a little bit of tidying up, cleaning the window, wiping things down, and vacuuming this little space here. But I will link the video to the cleaning version of this video right here. I'm now adding the final touches to this room. I must say, this is the most fun part of it all, you guys. If you can't tell, I'm having fun just placing things, putting them exactly where I want, things I've built, things I have reused or revamped, just putting them in place. Finally here, the day to show you the room. I have been working so hard on this room. It is looking really good. So here's what it looked like before. And by the way, you guys, please stay tuned for another room makeover teenager edition that will be coming up in a few weeks. That was just a couple of months ago when we had water leakage in here. We got damages, we got changes, the carpets got changed, and we have cleaned, organized, renovated this room, and this is what it looks like now. That's it, you guys. This project is finally over. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe below any future content. Thank you so much for your support, and I will see you next time. Bye.